This video introduces some unique features of Kobold's latest version of electronic digital pressure gauge, model MANSC for battery powered, and model MANLC for 24-volt DC power with IO-Link. In fact, MANLC is the first digital pressure gauge worldwide offered with IO-Link. Right now, we see model MANLC on the screen with background lighting showing measurement mode. The term RUN on the display signifies the measurement mode. It is replaced by the term PGM when the unit is in programming mode. Let's go back to the measurement mode. The large digits show primary value displayed. Primary value is shown on a 5-digit, 14-segment alphanumeric reflective LCD display with a digit height of 16 millimeters. The large and bright display ensures an easy readability even from a 20-foot distance. The primary value may be defined by the user as either pressure or force, with engineering units shown in the bottom line. The MANLC comes standard with 2 arbitrarily configurable outputs, which may be configured by the user as desired. This makes it a versatile pressure transmitter. The status of these outputs is shown alternatively in the measurement mode. The coding used for configured outputs, for example here, 1IO stands for output 1, configured as IO-Link, whereas 2A4 denotes output 2 configured as analog current output 4 to 20 milliamps. The electronic display can be easily rotated in 90-degree increments, ideal for side-mounted or inverted installations. The gauge head position can be radially adjusted after installation for perfect positioning by loosening the mini hexagon nut below the housing, positioning the gauge as desired, and tightening back the nut. Another unique feature of these units are the capacitive touchpads. These capacitive touchpads offer no wear and tear and ensure long-term reliability compared to push-button programming offered in cheaper products. The min-max peak value memory may easily be accessed by touching either the down arrow, touchpad for min value, and the value is displayed for around 5 seconds, or the up arrow touchpad for max value. As a unique feature, these digital pressure gauges may also calculate force after the user keys in the reference area, and display layout may be changed to alternately show pressure and force for 5 seconds each. So we enter the programming menu level 1. In menu display, we enter submenu level 2, and we choose submenu LAY for layout. Here we have a list of parameters to choose from. Alternating or single, we choose alternating. And go back to the measurement mode by touching the touchpad P multiple times. Now you see pressure and force, each displayed for 5 seconds. But why is force calculation needed? There are many industrial applications that will benefit from this feature, but the most common request came from the construction test and safety sector for a digital pressure gauge to be included as part of the test equipment. For example, for testing of anchors and fastenings in masonry and concrete to provide conformity assessments and certification in accordance with DIN EN 1090. For such portable testing equipment, the battery-powered digital pressure gauge model MANSC is suitable. An impressive range of measuring units are now accessible for selection from the programming menu. Let's enter the programming menu again and see the options available. We enter the programming menu level 1 and then go to menu MEAS, which stands for measuring. In menu MEAS, we enter sub-menu P Level 2, and then we choose sub-menu Unit in Level 3. Here, we have a list of parameters to choose from. For example, bar, millibar, Pascal, kilopascal, megapascal, PSI, torr, inches of mercury, millimeters of water column, or inches of water column. In addition, the customer has the possibility to add any user-defined units. The available choices provide more options than any comparative instrument so far. The MANLC provides so much more than traditional barrel-style digital pressure transmitters. For example, it comes with linear frequency output that may be used in additional evaluating electronics or control input to reset min-max peak value memory. An optional pluggable relay module with 2 potential free SPDT contacts is available either factory assembled or as a retrofit kit. Various pin configurations are possible either with a 5-pin connector or with an 8-pin connector. By popular request, a rubber protection case cover is now available as an option, ideal for test engineers and vulnerable installation areas. For more information on this product, please visit our website at www.cobalt.com or contact your nearest sales office.